Do you have a yard sculpture like this Joseph with burned out lights? Don't throw it away. Replacing the lights is quick and easy. That's the topic of today's video. So you've got a yard sculpture that you really love, but the lights are starting to go out. If your frame is a standard diameter, using sculpture clips makes that process quick and easy. Here are a few tips. First, don't remove the lights from the sculpture before you replace them. They're going to be your guide for choosing what lights to purchase for replacement lights for your whole assembly. So what you're going to want to do is visually inspect the lights on the frames, take a note of how far apart the lights are, then do a quick visual estimate of how many lights are actually on the frame. That's going to let you know how many lights to order. You'll also want to notice the orientation and the layout. Next, we need to measure your frame so you order the right sculpture clips. You'll need just a few pieces of equipment and about 5 minutes to do that well. This is a sculpture clip. How this works is that one size is the size of a standard mini light base, and that way you can just clip it onto your mini lights. The other side is measured to fit your frame. So in order to make the right purchase, you need to know what the size or diameter of your frame is, and that's the size sculpture clip that you'll order. In order to measure your frame, the most important piece of equipment you'll need is an adjustable wrench. So just take that crescent wrench and pick a place on your frame that's easy to get to and tighten your wrench on the frame, and then gently take it off and then measure the distance in the gap. You see the distance here is 1/4 of an inch. So we've measured our gap, and we know that the diameter of this frame is 1/4 of an inch. If your sculpture is old and has a lot of paint on it, you might need to measure in more than one place. So after you make that measurement, you'll be ready to start counting your bulbs visually, getting a rough estimate so that you can order your lights and your sculpture clips. To build your shopping list, count for 1 sculpture clip per bulb. Then, with your list of lights and your sculpture clips, make an order and be sure to get a variety of lengths of Christmas lights so that you can, as you go, you can adjust measurements and distances based on your estimation. First, look for the male plug. This is where you're going to start. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. Go for it, Dave. So all he's doing is unclipping the lights that are already there, just about 1 foot or 2, 1 foot, 6 inches at a time. Then you just put the clip on the light, and since you just took it off, you know exactly how to put it right back on. So you just go through one by one and repeat until you're finished installing all of your new lights. Dave, what's your favorite beverage when you're doing this?
I would have to say vodka soda.
A vodka soda? A grapefruit vodka soda?
Yes.
Yes, but iced tea works really great as well. So just keep on going until all of your lights are replaced. So folks, that's about how hard it is. Oh wait, I'm not even in the frame. So that's about how hard it is. So you can see that with the right equipment, this is an easy project, so you can preserve and keep your yard sculpture. So we're gonna finish out Joseph and get him lit up. Now, if you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. Also, be sure to subscribe so you'll get a notice for all of our videos that are coming up, especially now during the Christmas season. Anyway, I'm Shelly at Christmas Light Source.
And David.
And David.